Top useful homemade hair treatments. Welcome to our video on top useful homemade hair treatments. Are you looking for natural ways to improve the health and appearance of your hair? Treatment 1. Coconut oil hair mask. Treat your hair to a luxurious coconut oil mask. It's packed with nutrients that nourish and hydrate your strands. Apply coconut oil from root to tip, cover with a shower cap, and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. Treatment 2. Avocado and banana hair mask. Combine mashed avocado and banana for a revitalizing hair mask. Apply this mixture to your hair, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Your hair will thank you. Treatment 3. Apple cider vinegar rinse. For shiny, clarified hair, try an apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts water. Pour it over your hair after shampooing, leave for a minute, and then rinse. It helps balance your scalp's pH. Follow for more.